Hey y'all, welcome back to Ride Like a Pro 1. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install some LED headlights in this TL1000R Suzuki. One reason that I think is a good reason to install LED headlights is because with LED headlights it makes you more, in my opinion, it makes you more visibility where drivers on the road can see you. Okay, y'all, let's get down here. Let me show y'all how to do this. Okay, let's get y'all set up. Okay, that should do it about right there. Okay, first thing you want to do, you want to unplug the headlights. This little plug right here is in the center. Unplug that. It pulls right out. Tuck that away out your way. I tuck it right there for now. This boot, this is a rubber boot. Dust boot, I guess you would call it. It protects it from water, dust, and things of that nature. You just pull that right off just like that. Pull it off. Set that to the side. See this tab right here? This little tab right here? You want to push that back. See this loop right here? You want to push it back and over that. All it does, this little hook here, hook behind this. Pull that back out your way, and here's your bulb. Now pay attention right here. See this lip here and this lip? It goes back just like so. That sits in this little dip here, and this one got a dip where it sits in up here. So that's pretty much your bulb out. This is a LED bulb. Now I don't know if it's so or what, but supposedly don't put your fingers on this part. I don't know why. I just heard people say it, but I just know I didn't put my fingers on it when I installed these. So you can hold it by the plug just like this here, or you can even hold it by this up here next to the bulb. But right here, the step we're going back. This flap right, this little lip right here, like I said, stick your bulb in like this. See that lip? You want that lip to sit in there just like that. See right here where it's going in? It's a little slit right there. Stick that in. And that one down there at the bottom got one too. See this one right here? Stick that one in there and stick that one up top. Just like that. See the lip here? And that one in that lip. Take this, fold it back over. Just like that. Put it back behind. My bad, y'all. I missed my flap. All right, there we go. See how that's in there? That means you feel it fall in. And that one's in there like that. This little slots that they go in. And this goes back behind her just like you took it out before. And that holds your bulb in. Okay? You take this dust thing or whatever. See this groove right here on the outside? This is the inside, that's the outside. You want that outside groove here to fit over this. Have this here, this part here, facing down in between here. See how it's open? See how this is open? This flap right here, this flap is gonna be sitting here. So what you do, you stick it back in here, line the center part up, line the center part up like that over your bulb. And like I say, that flap is gonna be sitting right up here like that. Sometimes look aggravating, but just give it time to go and pop it right in just like that. And then you plug your bulb back up. You got 3 prongs. See the 3 prongs? 1, 2, 3 female prong. And then you got 1, 2, 3 male prongs. So the top one is at the top. So you stick that up at the top and just push it in. And you have green lights. Y'all see them things? Ain't they pretty? And they work just like your regular headlights. See? That's bright and that's dim. That's bright and that's dim. Okay, y'all. That's about all I had to show you. It's real simple and easy. And as you can see, I got on a white t-shirt. I'm still clean. Green Monsters ready to roll. Like I always say, what we want to do, we want to get back home safely to our families. This is not a toy. It's fun, but it's the safe kind of fun. Like my video, like, share, subscribe. Thank you for y'all that have subscribed for me. I really appreciate it. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. God bless you and keep watching my video. And I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Goodbye. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.